Hi, Mayor Tyler with an update on what's happening in regards to the shelter being set up in Wetaskiwin. We'll start off by just clearing up that misconception. It is not a shelter. It will be a 24/7 response hub, not an emergency shelter.
An integrated response hub is going to be full holistic wraparound services. And I know there's been some question around what both holistic and wraparound mean. So holistic is essentially responding to all the needs that a person has. So their physical needs, their mental health needs, their social needs, medical needs, everything that that person needs. And wrapping around means that we're doing all of that at the same time. So we're bringing multiple service providers in order to respond to all of the person's need. Research and history has told us that that is going to be the way to make the best impact and help a person more long term. We're not interested in band-aiding a problem. We're not interested in responding to just one piece. We're interested in responding to everything so we can actually see long-term success.
With Open Door coming in, we've been trying to put together a local place to protect the local homeless population in Wetaskiwin. This has been a long, decades drawn out issue within the city. We're very optimistic that the fact that the hub will be running 24/7 is going to be a key component to the success of this new program.
We hear your concerns loud and clear, and we'll do everything we can to try to alleviate any concerns. This means that the Open Door, the RCMP, and our CPOs are aware of the concerns and will be working on mitigating those risks. We also understand that the Civic Building isn't the best location. We were trying to find a more suitable spot, but we weren't able to secure an alternative location. That being said, we are still working on a permanent location as well as building a partnership with both the provincial and federal government.
The calls for service for being drunk in public, lawful enjoyment of property, and the number of prisoners coming through our cell block is reduced by over 50%. So this is a very key piece to our crime reduction strategy and trying to make the streets safer in Wetaskiwin.
So we have been incredibly happy with what we have seen so far in Wetaskiwin. So many people reaching out to us. How do they volunteer? How do they donate? What do we need? So we're incredibly thankful for what we've seen so far. And we continue to have conversation both with the agencies, professionals, as well as the residents around how this integrated service is going to look. And we're really excited about the 24/7 part because we think that will be what will make a monumental difference to how things have operated in the past. So that facilitation of dialogue, especially through our social media. We'll use the pages on our social media in order to provide information to the community and certainly open to what that is going to look like. And we also just want to encourage everyone to let us get the programming off the ground and let it make an impact, and then we'll keep having that conversation as we move forward.
The hub is not the end of our work in helping those experiencing homelessness and needing support with mental health and addictions. Thank you for your support and understanding as we work through this together.